Welcome to the Windmills blog. Today we're focusing on resilience, your own personal bounce back ability. I like to think about how you manage transition, change, rejections and setbacks. Are you this beanbag? You're full of beans and energy, flying through the air, and you hit a problem and suddenly everything stops? Or are you the tennis ball who again flies through the air, hits a problem and then bounces back? But each time you bounce back, you actually bounce back at a less height, with less energy. And after 3 or 4 big issues or big challenges within a short space of time, you end up, just like the beanbag, stopping. Or are you like the bouncy ball, where you have that resilience, that grit, that determination, that energy to bounce back and use the transition, the changing situation to move you on? We've done a quick look at the research around personal resilience and bounce back ability, and we have a small word you might like to think about for yourself: your bounce. B is about belief. Do you really believe you can take control and ownership of your life? O is about optimism, having a sense of hope for the future. And all the research on recovery in mental health talks about if you have hope, if you have that optimism, then there is a potential future to aim for. U is about understanding your skills, your strengths, your values, your passions and motivations in life, so that when you understand who you are and what matters to you, you can stick to that and be authentic to that through change and transition. N is about networks, a network of support who can help, support, encourage, guide and challenge you through change and transition. C is about contribution, and all the research on well-being, happiness and resilience has shown that giving something back to your wider community, small acts of kindness, help us think about something other than ourselves. So what's your level of contribution to help other people in need in your local community? And the final letter is E, energy. How good are you at keeping that bounce back ability going? How good are you at keeping your enthusiasm, energy, yourself and your well-being going? So we have a small little audit that you might like to do on your own bounce. And you can download this on the website and you can look really at mapping out your own beliefs, your own optimism, your own understanding, network of support, contribution and energy, and start to think about which one area you could work on to improve your bounce. So the question finally I have to you is, are you that beanbag that stops? Are you that tennis ball? But what can you do to enhance your bounce back ability? Good luck and enjoy the journey.